Rolling through.
Hi, I'm Adam C and welcome to Beaconsfield Services for an evening meet hosted by Krunds. So, we are here capturing some cars and content. We've got a BMW M4 in front of us. The police are around. They're not currently there. In fact, where on earth have they gone? They were just there. They're probably camping at the entrance to the services.
Oh, the Fiesta has a cold. He is sneezing.
And a diesel Volvo? We've got some neons, we've got the Sleepy Cleo, who has now called himself the Sleepy Cleo after my videos.
Evo, which is looking very dark. There is not much lighting tonight. We've got another Evo there.
Oh. Satin blue Audi is sat in, and he is sat in his car. The Evo has just started up. That is an R. God, it tickles my ears in a way that ears shouldn't be tickled.
Revolutions per minute. Oh, blue lights are on. The present's being made. There he goes, rolling through, showing a presence.
And tonight I'm also wearing my Lord Timepiece, and you get 10% off using Adam10 on lordtimepieces.com.
Anyway, here is the Citroen BX, which is in front of a four-door R34 Skyline, which again is very dark. We need to get in the well-lit area. We've got a pink MX-5 idling. But here we have Mark's A3 with neons, and it's Mini-Me. Next door is a Fiesta, which looks like it has an overbite. That was the MX-5, the pink one. Will revs be made over here? Yes, they will. I got some more packs from the Seats. Oh, an R32 is turning up with an E36 Rhino. What was a flame? Those flames. The R32 has turquoise calipers and my wheels from a 350Z GT pack. Sap. I've got sap all over my car. Oh, slap. Oh. I read it as sap, like tree sap and loser, or lacer. AC63, bud. The Fiesta is not in a space. The Banana Mr. 2 is half asleep. There's a Mark III Supra in white. There's a Nissan Sunny. Oh, I'm going to get run over. He is low, and his tongue out. What on earth is that?
That was the RS4.
The RS4, yeah. TC5 rolling in, and an evil Subaru with the red side lights. He shouted something out his window, but I couldn't hear him. He failed. I'm sorry. What did he say?
I am gassed. Oh my god, I'm gassed.
He is gassed. Right. 9 Solid States Drive is his number plate. That's the wrong side of the road, mate. There you go. He's green like a Granny Smith. Dog. Where's the dog? Fireworks? Why? Why is this happening? It's beautiful. I love it. It's romantic. It's premature. It's not Christmas yet. Oh, that was... Oh, no. Oh, dear.
Hey, what's this guy doing?
He is driving. Down, 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 down. There goes Pumpkin. Is he going to use VTEC? Look at the wing. Oh. No. The R34 four-door is surpassing. Some fantastic news. We have spotted a Toyota Chaser. It's not a white chaser, it's a black chaser, which tend to be more common these days. The white ones are dying out or maybe being put away as investments. We have a dark Toyota Chaser. I'm not going to say black because it might be like a really rich green. I think it's black. Have you? Have you what? Who's Ames? Well, obviously not to drive it because that was a bloke. There's R90 Ed. Hello, Ed. He did not look happy. I love F1 BMW. Wow, Subaru combo with RGB neons and height on the Gravel Express. He's off on an adventure. Oh, that's not a Subaru, whereas there he is. Of course, we must say, bring Neil's back! There's some revving going on. There's a caravan, a single-axle caravan. This is a Abbey GTS Road. We've got some revolutions. The green neons are on site. Who is revving? I can hear a 1J. Maybe the Chaser, but I doubt it. Oh, the Mark III Supra kind of sent it. There's some flames as well. I think the Chaser might have been revving and I might have missed it. We got the Audi doing some pops. There's a 106 doing some revolutions. Oh, here he comes. There's a Camaro SS behind the Hyundai. He's got the yellow spotlights. Yeah, turn your lights on, mate. Turn your lights on. He probably thought I was just doing suggestivities. Whoa, that was close. It's Arwin. That was cool. ST Sexy B. Cool. Oh, come on, let's hear it. Ha ha ha. Funny jokes are cool jokes.
Give me a ref.
Wow, it's quick. Wow, you never hear them do that. It's Big X Casey. Hello, Casey. That had a point to it. Why? Oh, there he goes. Wow, neons are there. Skiddaroo. Someone did a skid. See, neons just... they work. Oh! What is the Megane doing? What's the Mini gonna provide? That's how they came out of the factory. Fun fact for you. Someone's brought a road legal pram to the meet. Off he goes. Oh no. Oh. GTR is making an entrance. Flames are just about happening. They're getting bigger. Giggity. There we go. Oh, wow, the Z-Tech S is doing the same thing. Flames. Oh. I did not see that R33 in there. So will we get some more revolutions from the GTR? External, internal combustion from the rear. Hey. Joyous. lightning fast. That was a 635 CSI getting sideways. Well, there's a first for everything. C63 is Quattro almost didn't Quattro there. It's very diesel. Coca-Cola? What on earth is that? It's like a slammed mini motor. Whoa! Did he just unweld his diff? There's a guy punching his headlight trying to get it to work. He just stopped, got out of the car, and it was like, and now he's trying ascend. Ascend didn't work either. Is he back for round 2? That was quite quick actually. Where did that come from? I didn't see that in there. But that was pretty much that. Most of the cars have gone, so only a small meets tonight, but I still hope you enjoyed it. Follow me on Instagram for all the highlights about the meets I go to, but for now, thanks for watching.